This large weaving loom from Melissa and Doug is marketed for children, but you know what? As an adult, I'm really enjoying working with it. I'm making a wall hanging right now out of some different yarn that I have in my stash. It does come with an instruction manual on how to weave. If you want to make a smaller design, you can always adjust it to do so, but I'm really pleased with the way this is working out. This loom also comes with a really nice wooden needle. And then it also comes with a really pretty ball of yarn as well. And then you also get some paper strips, which you can weave in and out and make it look like an animal, which is great for the children. So if you have kids, maybe you can each get one and you can work on the yarn and your child can work on the paper strips and make their little pictures out of the paper strips. Weaving is really great to relax or, just to relieve some anxiety. And I think this is the perfect beginner loom to get started with as an adult or even a child. This is really nice too because you can set it up on the table and you don't have to hold it on your lap. I highly recommend this loom and I think you'll enjoy it just as much as I do.